Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about CSS box model. At the end of the session, you'll be able to explain the CSS box model, differentiate between box models and apply its properties and visually appealing web pages using CSS box model concepts. So first, let's see what is CSS box model. Every HTML element is considered as a rectangular box. The CSS box model defines how much space an element occupies and how it is displayed on a web page. Box model helps in controlling element size, spacing, and layouts. Let's see the components of the box model. Every CSS box model consists of 4 different regions. The regions are content, padding, border, margin. You can see that innermost, it is called as a content. It described as area where text, images, and other elements appear. Then next to content is called as padding. Description of padding as space between content and border. Third one is border, described as line surrounding the content and padding. The outer layer is called as margin region, described as space outside the border separating elements. I think now we are able to understand the different types of regions. There is an example of CSS box model. You can see that content, padding, border, and margin. The attributes are creating the content as width and height. For padding, we have four different sides: padding top, bottom, then left, right. Similarly, for border and margin, we have top, bottom, left, right. These are the attributes to be used for controlling the boxes. So border width, border style, border color, these are the examples. And next one is every CSS box is divided into regions consisting of content which include text, web pages, padding, space between content and the border, then border, space between padding and the margin, then margin, empty space between the element and adjacent elements. You can see here, this is one of the example of CSS box model. How to create this box model for the content area. By default, it is given here. Then after this, padding, top, right, bottom, left, based on the pixel size you are entering here. Based on that, the area will be created. So this is the way to create a box model. In the next section, we'll see the properties and attributes of box model. Thank you.